SimVivo's newest learning system, Sim Dissect, is now available. This module contains all the training materials to practice two-handed dissection techniques and the mastery of soft tissue mass excision. Starting with exercises to improve dexterity with the non-dominant hand and continuing through practice using instruments in both hands to improve cutting coordination, this module then focuses on realistic surgical exercises such as developing tissue planes and excising masses from simulated subcutaneous tissues. Included are a novel dissection board, DeBakey forceps, Metzenbaum scissors, and other practice materials. Complimentary training videos are available on our website. And all of this at an affordable price. Take your surgical skills to the next level with Sim Dissect.